We are going to find the value of 20 divided by 20 divided by 20 divided by 20. Alright, this 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. This 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. But this one is not the correct answer. Why? Because to solve this question, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operations. The order of operations can be remembered by PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division share same level, also addition and subtraction. But how can we use this PEMDAS to solve this question? We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we have division, right? 1, 2, 3, three division signs. So what should we do? In this case, we need to start from left and go to the right. So we need to do this left division first. 20 divided by 20. Let me rewrite the question first. 20 divided by 20 divided by 20 divided by 20, right? First, this one, left one. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So it is gonna be 1 divided by 20 divided by 20, right? Next, 1 divided by 20. This is left one. So it is gonna be 1 over 20 divided by 20, right? What is this? Division of one fraction, one number. 20 can be written in the form of 20 over 1, right? Now, division of two fractions. To do this, we need to follow K, C, F. K, keep the first fraction. So I rewrite it. 1 over 20. Change division sign to multiplication sign, right? Next one, flip the second fraction, 1 over 20. So it is going to be 1 times 1, 1, 20 divided by 20, 400.